Today I'm happy to be participating in a challenge hosted by Carol of My Blessed Nest. Carol is so sweet and funny. She's always encouraging, and I love her personality as well as her crafts, thrift finds, and she even has some recipes. Her channel is listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. I thrifted these candlesticks at Habitat for Humanity. They show 50 cents, but I got them on half off day, so I only paid $0.25 a piece. And I'm spray painting them a matte black because I'm going to use these to make my tier tray. I love how they turned out. And I'm using these dishes that I used to have. I didn't have a whole complete set, so I've been using them in various crafts. I decided to leave them white so that they would go for the more farmhouse tier tray, which I don't have. I measured to get the center of each tier, and then I just glue them together using a combination of E6000 and hot glue. E6000 for long-term hold, glue to hold it together while it dries. Okay, now we have a fresh slate. This one, I put a few last of summer, early fall flowers. I think my hen would like it just fine up top. Home. Got my faith and hope. Beautiful red jar that I thrifted for 50 cents. I think just a few. And I think that's pretty. It's not a lot, it's simple, but I think it makes me happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, bye. Thank you, Carol.